Hey guys, it's Miss Clark from Math Club, and today we are going to review some of your favorite math words: factors, multiples, prime, and composite. So think back to the beginning of the year and let's see what you can remember. First of all, factors. Factors are two numbers that multiply together to get a product. So for example, factors of 9 are 1 and 9, because 1 times 9 is 9, and 3 and 3, because 3 and 3 equal 9. So here's your chance to shout out, what are factors of 6? Hopefully you said 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. What about factors of 21? Twenty-one has 4 factors. Always start with 1 and 21, and then 3 and 7. Now we're going to move on to multiples. Multiples are numbers you say when you skip count by a number. So if I was going to practice my multiples of 2, I would start off with 2 and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and could keep going on forever if I wanted to. What about your turn? What are the first 4 multiples of 4? Shout them out. Hopefully you shouted 4, 8, 12, and 16. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, and 4 times 4. Last question on multiples. What are the first 4 multiples of 7? Seven, 14, 21, and 28. 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, and 7 times 4. Now I know all of you remember prime and composite numbers. If you think back to the rap that you learned, P-R-I-M-E, the only factors are 1 and me, I'm prime. Hopefully you remember that. Prime numbers are numbers that have 2 factors, 1 and itself. Composite numbers are the opposite of prime. They're numbers that have more than 2 factors. So let's practice. 11. Is it prime or composite? Hopefully you shouted out prime, because the only numbers that can multiply together to get 11 are 1 times 11. 6. Shout out prime or composite. It is composite because it has more than 2 factors. 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So it has 4 factors. 54. Prime or composite? It is composite. You may not know all the factors of 54, but I see that it's even, so I know it can be 1 and 54 and 2 times another number because it's an even number. I also know 6 times 9 equals 54, so I know it is a composite number. As soon as you know that it has more than 2 factors, you know it's composite. 2. Hopefully you said prime. 2 is a prime number because the only factors are 1 times 2. 2 is the only even number that is prime. 100. 100 is composite because you can do 1 times 100, 10 times 10, 2 times 50, and so on. So it has more than 2 factors, so we know it is composite. 15. 15 is composite because it has more than 2 factors. 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. It has 4 factors, so it's a composite number. 1. This was my challenge one. Hopefully you remembered back from the beginning of the year that 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is a special number that's not prime or composite, because the definition of prime is that it has to have 2 factors, and 1 only has 1 factor, 1 times 1. So 1 is the only factor of 1. So it is neither prime nor composite. So just as a quick review, factors are, see if you can fill in the sentence. Factors are numbers that multiply together to get a product. Multiples are numbers you say when you skip count by a number. Prime numbers are numbers that only have 2 factors. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Great job reviewing prime and composite numbers.